wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Olaf, Sven, Kristoff. Olaf, Sven, Kristoff. Olaf, Sven, Kristoff. Olivia, don't open your eyes yet. But do you think the kids?
I don't know. I hope. Did you guys wish hard enough?
Kids, did you wish hard enough?
Did you dream again?
Are you telling us to open our eyes?
Yeah. Oh, are they?
I think we should open. Okay. One, two, three. Olaf! Kristoff! Sven! Oh, she sings again!
And then we dance!
Hey, you're all there! You're all here!
Hey!
Oh, good!
Wow, guys! That's so great!
Oop. Let's all sit down.
He made a little bit
It's
noise.
so good to see you here. Olaf, are you doing weird stuff again?
Yeah, Olaf's always being funny and doing weird stuff.
All here together.
Yay! We're all together!
Elsa, I think now we're ready for our journey.
Okay.
I think now we have us all together, and as a team, we will be able to beat whatever it is that we need to beat.
Okay, guys.
Right?
Yes. So now we're all ready. Let's all get together.
Okay.
And we're going to go on this journey. All right, Sven.
Okay, so let's get ready.
Okay.
Can you be quiet, Anna?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then, Kristoff, why don't you take Sven? But wait.
Oh.
But
Why is Sven looks like he's hiding.
Yeah, Sven laid down. Sven, are you not feeling good? Oh, I don't know what's going on. Sven.
Oh.
Sven.
Oh no, I think Sven's.
I don't know if Sven's doing well. Maybe Anna, do you have any magic potion so Sven will feel better again? I don't think he's feeling good.
Here, let's give him some ice.
Yeah, Elsa,
Sven,
maybe you gotta give him
here's
some.
a little ice.
Oh, he's back again!
He's back again!
Hey!
Hi, Sven.
You gave us a scare.
Yeah, what was wrong?
I think he's warning us a little bit, but Sven, we really need to go. We need to help. You need to help us go on this journey.
Yeah. Is he scared?
I think he's scared a little bit.
Yeah. Sometimes adventures are scary, but that's why we're all going together, right, Sven?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so we're all going to go on this adventure together.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, I think he's ready now.
He's ready now? Okay, good. I'm glad that you're excited for the adventure now.
Are you ready, Sven? Are you feeling better? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Great.
He's a little bit scared, but we're ready.
All right. And we're ready.
Off we go on this journey.
Okay, let's go on the journey.
Off we...
Oh no!
Oh, why is it
Guys!
so quiet here?
Guys!
It's been really quiet. Where's Olaf?
Olaf's gone missing.
Olaf!
Look behind us. Is he there?
No,
No.
I'm looking.
Guys, Olaf!
Kids, did you see where Olaf went?
Yeah, do you think maybe he got hungry or...
I don't know.
It's cold out, so he shouldn't have melted.
I know, it's freezing cold. Olaf! Are you hungry? Did you get distracted?
Yeah, was there a pie? Or
a pie?
berries? Or...
Maybe he needed new eyes.
Oh,
or a new nose.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Maybe he was getting like a super duper strong carrot nose for traveling. Is that possible?
Maybe.
How do we find him? I think to find him, we have to go through the scary jungle. Or woods, I mean. Through the woods with the snow.
We go through the woods?
Yeah, so go through the woods. And let's see.
Olaf!
Olaf! Olaf! Do you hear him?
No, I don't.
Wait! I see a hill over there! He's a snowman! I bet he rolled down the hill!
Oh,
Let's
that's
go!
funny.
Let's run to the hill! Let's run to the hill! Run to the hill! And then...
Oh, there he is!
Oh! He fell at the bottom of the hill! Oh no! Can you get him?
I think so.
Okay.
Olaf, what are you doing?
Olaf! Yeah! Oh, can we help him up? Oh!
Olaf,
Olaf, that was...
you gave us a scare.
Yeah, we didn't know where you were, Olaf. We didn't know that you rolled down that hill.
Olaf, you gave us a scare.
You gave us a big scare. We didn't know.
Why are you smiling? He's so smiley.
He's so happy all the time.
He's always so talkative
Yeah.
too.
He must be really, really excited about
Let's
this
have
adventure.
him say something.
Okay.
He always talks so much.
Okay.
Surprise!
Yep, surprise. We found you though, huh?
I am Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Aw.
He likes warm hugs.
He likes warm hugs. But we're on a
Sugar rush.
Sugar
Sugar
rush.
rush.
You were eating sugar down there.
Yeah, Olaf, we're on a very, very important mission.
He ate all of our food.
We don't have any food left for the trip.
That went right through me.
Oh no.
Well, Olaf, are you going to come with us, or do you want to finish eating all of our food?
Yeah, don't eat Olaf. Oh no, don't eat Olaf. Don't eat him. I know he's made of snow, but we need him.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we gonna carry on?
Yeah, let's keep going on the journey. So then we
Okay.
have to go through the rest. Oh, we have to go across the ocean and through the rest of the woods towards the ocean, right?
Yeah.
So
Let's
just
go.
keep going. Oh no!
Oh, hold on! We're falling down! That was exhausting. Oh my god.
That was exhausting.
We just
How are
slipped
we
down
ever
that
gonna
mountain.
get back up that?
Oh no!
Oh no!
There's a big. What's
Giant
that?
Shadow!
Shadow!
Oh god! It's
Oh no!
something huge!
I can't watch!
I'm so scared!
Fluffy?
Fluffy!
What are you doing here? Oh, look! Oh no!
Oh no!
There's the monster! No!
Fluffy's so scared!
Quickly,
Oh, no!
Olivia, what do we do? Anna, Elsa,
Hide,
what do we do?
hide.
Sven,
What do we
Kristoff,
do?
Olaf!
Everyone, help us!
Help us! I think we need to watch Frozen 2 so we know what to do.
Okay, we gotta watch it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, kids, be safe.
Well, kids, be safe out there. We're gonna
safe.
watch Frozen 2
Okay,
now.
yeah, we're gonna watch it and figure out how to save us all.
Okay, bye.
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 Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
if you like what you see on Dream Again,
please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.